Greetings, fellow culinary enthusiasts. Today, join me in a flavorful expedition as we explore the world of chicken dishes. Get ready to embark on a poultry adventure. Recipe 1. Lemon garlic roast chicken. Our culinary journey kicks off with a classic, lemon garlic roast chicken. Gather these ingredients: whole chicken, lemons, garlic, fresh rosemary, olive oil, salt and pepper. Let's begin with the art of roasting. Cooking instructions for lemon garlic roast chicken. Preheat your oven and prepare the chicken by patting it dry. Rub the chicken with a mixture of olive oil, minced garlic, lemon zest, and chopped rosemary. Place lemon halves and sprigs of rosemary inside the cavity for extra flavor. Roast until the skin is golden brown and the juices run clear. Recipe 2. Chicken piccata. Next up, let's venture into Italian cuisine with chicken piccata. Gather these ingredients: chicken breasts, flour, butter, olive oil, lemon, capers, chicken broth, white wine, salt and pepper. Prepare for a zesty and savory experience. Cooking instructions for chicken piccata. Dredge chicken breasts in seasoned flour and pan fry until golden brown. Create a flavorful sauce by deglazing the pan with white wine, adding chicken broth, lemon juice, and capers. Simmer until the sauce thickens and pour it over the cooked chicken. Recipe 3. Grilled chicken skewers with satay sauce. For a taste of Southeast Asia, let's grill up some chicken skewers with satay sauce. Gather these ingredients: chicken thighs, cubed, soy sauce, ginger, garlic, peanut butter, coconut milk, lime juice, skewers. Prepare for a mouth-watering journey to the grill. Cooking instructions for grilled chicken skewers with satay sauce. Marinate chicken cubes in a mixture of soy sauce, minced ginger, and garlic. Thread the marinated chicken onto skewers and grill until cooked. Create a satay sauce by combining peanut butter, coconut milk, and lime juice. Dip the grilled skewers into the satay sauce and enjoy the flavors. Recipe 4. Chicken and broccoli stir-fry. Let's dive into the world of quick and delicious stir-fry with chicken and broccoli. Gather these ingredients: chicken breast, sliced, broccoli florets, soy sauce, oyster sauce, garlic, ginger, sesame oil, rice vinegar. Prepare for a speedy and savory stir-fry. Cooking instructions for chicken and broccoli stir-fry. Stir-fry sliced chicken in a hot pan until browned. Add broccoli florets, minced garlic, and ginger to the pan. Create a flavorful sauce with soy sauce, oyster sauce, sesame oil, and rice vinegar. Toss the sauce into the pan and stir-fry until everything is well coated and cooked. Recipe 5. Creamy garlic parmesan chicken. Our culinary journey concludes with a rich and indulgent dish, creamy garlic parmesan chicken. Gather these ingredients: chicken thighs, garlic, fresh parsley, parmesan cheese, heavy cream, chicken broth, salt and pepper. Prepare for a velvety and flavorful delight. Cooking instructions for creamy garlic parmesan chicken. Sear chicken thighs until golden brown in a hot pan. Sauté minced garlic in the pan until fragrant. Pour in chicken broth, heavy cream, and grated Parmesan cheese. Simmer until the sauce thickens and the chicken is cooked through. And there you have it, 5 tantalizing chicken dishes to elevate your culinary experience. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, these recipes offer a delightful range of flavors to explore. If you enjoyed this culinary journey of crafting chicken delights with me today, stay tuned for more delicious recipes and cooking inspirations. Until next time, may your kitchen be filled with the aroma of culinary excellence and the joy of creating memorable meals.